Let's solve an interesting direction problem, and in this direction problem we'll move step by step. So the person starts from A, and that is the origin point, that is here. Now he walks 10 kilometers east. So we'll say that he walks 10 kilometers east. As you can see the arrow, it's a point here, it's a 10 kilometer east. Now from here he turns 135-degree anti-clockwise from the east. Now anti-clockwise from the east, this is east, okay. Now this arrow is east, right? 135 degrees anti-clockwise means this direction, so this direction, okay, that you can see here, okay. Now this is 90 on the vertical line and further 45 here. So when I go and click next, you can see this is how it proceeds. Now from here it takes a 90 degree, so 90 degree is this way and goes clockwise. So rather than going anti-clockwise, it would go clockwise. My hand arrow goes opposite, right? So here it would be 90 degrees clockwise, and this is how it goes. Then it turns again 90 clockwise from the northeast. So 90 clockwise from the northeast would be down again. So that's here, and then when going 90 degrees from the northeast, it walks 10 kilometers. So how far is this from this point? So I take the vertical line. Now this vertical line is this much, and this is around this much, right? So when I take the values, I take the exact values. So these are around 10 and 5√2. So those values I square it and I find out the exact value. So this would be the hypotenuse. The Pythagoras theorem has to be applied. As simple as that. The idea is that the exact values don't matter. So you take this distance, let's say it's 5, and this distance, let's say it's 20, right? So 20 square plus 5 square under root would be the distance from the starting or the A point. That's the major idea we want to show. But this is an interesting problem on direction where we are trying to bring the angles, right? So in the first go it went 10 kilometers east, right? But in the second go it went 135 degrees anti-clockwise to the east. So this is east, right? And from the east 135 degree anti-clockwise, okay. And that 135 degree anti-clockwise would be opposite to it, right? So if this is east, I am changing the direction of my hands to make it exactly what the cardinal points are, okay. So this is east. Now 90 degrees this, and then I go and take it somewhere here, so it becomes 135. So this angle would be 135 from the east direction, and this is how it would go, and then 90 degree and then again 90 degree. So we have to calculate from the starting position. So I take the Pythagoras value, the hypotenuse of this Pythagoras triangle, right angle triangle, and here this is the vertical line and this is the horizontal line. I take the summation of the squares and under root them, and I get the actual distance, the shortest distance between these 2 points. So interesting problem. We'll be doing more such problems. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining.